Okay, so this is a test recording. I'm going to Binance, which is an exchange that I like to use. Then I'm going to account wallet. So that's fiat and spot, right? So you can deposit and withdraw crypto or money. And then yeah, LTC. And if I open here Litecoin-core, you can see that there's my balance there. In the overview, my wallet, so there's available for spending. You can send and receive as well. So if you click show here, you can copy the address for the wallet, right? So you can use that address to send money to it. So I'll just paste it here in Binance, and yeah, I'll just transfer everything I have there to my full node running in my Mac, right? So I'll just withdraw. Yeah, so there's some confirmation there. I click continue. Yeah, asks me for two codes actually, one email and the other authentication code, right? So I just look on my email here for the code. Yes, there it is, 171 142. And then let me look for the authentication code in my cell phone. I did this before, but so I just narrating the video, but yeah, at that point I was looking at the code, and then yeah, typing out the code. Okay, so complete, the withdrawal request has been submitted, and then it's waiting approval, right? It takes a few minutes for it to show up here. It's not showing yet, but if we wait a bit, it should show up. Yeah, so now you have here the full amount, right? I received, so you can see the transaction here, which is confirmed. So there's it's available now for me to spend. Yeah, I just typed out the amount here to send inside build transaction LTC, right? And then if you look here, you can see also the fee, which I just search for the fee online and just subtract here from the amount to send. And yeah, if I run it, should work. Yeah, so I got it. So this is the transaction JSON, right? With all the information, the hash, the inputs, script number, the amount of satoshis to send, the address, right? And then the serialized transaction, which is the string that we have to use to actually send the transactions. So this only built the transaction, right? And then I'll just paste it in send raw transaction for it to work. Which I think I need to change this code a bit, and then I'll come back to it. Yeah, so again, I have so I have the serialized transaction string, right? So I just copy it and paste it here in this file, send raw transaction. Yeah, the transaction was built successfully, so it's just a matter of sending it now. So I just run node send raw transaction.test.js, and yeah, so it worked, and as an output you have this result, which I think is the ID of the transaction. So it was created. I'll just type it here so we know what to check if something goes wrong. So success. access output and just paste it, right? And then I guess now, yeah, if I check, yeah, okay, so my balance has been updated. You can already see the transaction there, so it's sent to, but it's confirming, right? You have a little clock there, so it's still confirming. I think it needs 6 confirmation or something before it is, yeah, accepted. And then, yeah, if you go back to Binance, you can already check, by the way, the pending transaction, right? So if I just go to account wallet, somewhere here, so if I just go to transaction history, yeah, I can find the confirming deposit there, right? 1/3. So yeah, it receives the deposit, but it still needs confirmation from another nodes in the blockchain before it works. Yeah, so that's it.